In this video, we will learn how to solve simultaneous equation by elimination method. Look at the first example. If you look at the coefficient of x, it is 1. The second equation, coefficient of x is 2, while the coefficient of y is -1 and +1. So the coefficient of y is same. So the moment you see that your coefficients are opposite, if they are opposites, then you simply add them and that variable will get eliminated. So let's add these two. 1x plus 2x will give me 3x, plus y and minus y will get cancelled, and 11 plus 19 gives me 30. Now to solve this, I'll divide both sides by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1x. We can simply write it as x, and 30 divided by 3 will give me 10. So I got the value of x. Now to find the value of y, I can use any of the two equations. So I'll select the second one, 2x plus y equals 19. In place of x, I'll substitute the value of x, which is 10. So 2 times 10 plus y equals 19. So 20 plus y is 19. You shift 20 to the right hand side, you will get y equal to 19 minus 20. So my value of y is y equal to -1. So you can write the final answer as ordered pair x coordinate comma y. So x is 10 and y is -1. So we write the final answer like this. Let's look at example 2. Now in example 2, if you look at the coefficient of x, the coefficient of x is 7 and 8, which is not same. If you look at coefficient of y, it is 2 and 2. The coefficient is same, but they are not opposites. So even if I add, so 2y plus 2y will come down as 4y. It's not getting eliminated. So I need to have opposite sign. So one of the two equation I need to have -2. So suppose I multiply the second one by -1. So you multiply second equation by -1. So what do I get? -1 into 8x will give me -8x. -1 into -2 will give me -2y. And minus into 30 will give me -30. Or simply what you have to do is just change the sign for each term. Okay. Now copy down the first equation. The first equation was 7x plus 2y equals 24. So now we have a situation here where the coefficients are opposite. So we simply add and it will get cancelled. -8 plus 7 gives me -1x. -2 plus 2 will get cancelled. It gives me 0y, which is 0. And on the right side, -30 plus 24 gives me -6. Now I have minus sign here. So what you do is simply change the sign. So -x will become +x and -6 will become +6. So what I'm doing is basically I'm multiplying both sides by -1. So in short, what we do is just change the sign. Now I got the value of x. To find the value of y, what I will do here is substitute in any of the two equations. So let's take the first equation, 7x plus 2y equals 24. Value of x equal to 6, you substitute here in the equation. So 7 times value of x is 6 plus 2y equals 24. 7 times 6 is 42 plus 2y equals 24. So shift 42 to the right hand side. So I'll get 2y equal to 24 minus 42. So I get here 2y equal to negative. 42 minus 24 is 18. So you divide both sides by 2. I'll get here y equal -9. So this is my answer for these two equations. So if I write as an ordered pair, I'll get here 6, -9. Let's have a look at the third and the last example. Okay. Now, in this question, if you see, the coefficient of x is not same, the coefficient of y is also not same. So I need to make one of them same. So if I need to make y same, the LCM of 10 and 6, okay, the LCM of 10 and 6 is 30. So in that case, I need to multiply both equation by a number. So the first equation I need to multiply by 3 and the second equation I need to multiply by 5 to make y same. But if I need to make x same, what I have to do? So the coefficient of x is 16 and minus 8, and the LCM of 16 and 8 is 16. So I don't have to multiply both equations. I need to multiply only the second equation. So in this example, I'll prefer to multiply only the second equation. Now I have 16 here, I want 16 here, so I'll simply multiply it by 2. So multiply by 2. 2 times minus 8 is minus 16x. 2 times minus 6 is minus 12y, and 2 times 6 is 12. You copy on the first equation as it is. So I have 16x minus 10y equal to 10. Now to cancel it out, because the coefficient of x are opposite, so they will cancel each other. Minus 12 minus 10 will give me minus 22y, and 12 plus 10 is 22. Now minus 22 and y is in multiplication relation, so I'll divide both sides by minus 22. So on the left hand side, minus 22 will get cancelled. I'll get 1y, which is y, and 22 divided by minus 22 is minus 1. So I got the value of y is minus 1. I need to find the value of x. So I'll substitute this value of y equal to minus 1 in any of the equation. So let's select one of the equation. So suppose I substitute in the first one. So the first equation is 16x minus 10y equal to 10. So 16x minus 10, value of y is minus 1 equal to 10. So 16x minus 10 into minus 1 is plus 10 equal to 10. You shift 10 to the other side. 16x equal to 10 minus 10. 16x equal to 0. Divide both sides by 16. You will get your final answer, x equals 0. So in elimination method, what we have to do is you have to ensure that one of the two variable has opposite coefficients. Now once you have opposite coefficients, you simply add that variable gets eliminated, then use that value to find the other value. That's it.